During an evening walk, my son and I had one of those truly magical wildlife moments. Standing quietly in front of us were white-tailed deer, Odocoileus virginianus, one of North America's most graceful animals. Known for the bright white underside of their tails, they raised them like a flag when startled. But this time they stayed calm, peaceful, completely unbothered by our presence. Watching them move so quietly through nature reminded us how special these little wild encounters can be. Sometimes the best adventures happen when you simply slow down and look around.